active shooter situation, I can tell you that it's very crucial to be able to just have on what you have on or throw on what you need to real quick. Something as simple as your load-bearing vest this makes things a lot more convenient and easier to respond to a call that is of that stature.
It can also not only stop handguns, but it can also stop a rifle. And the plates are easily inserted in the front and back of the vest.